Thanks for purchasing the Aura Portaneb. With proper cleaning care, your device is designed to last you many years. Your Aura Portaneb is equipped with built-in self-cleaning technology. This video will guide you through the process of how to run the function on your device. The Aura Portaneb needs to be cleaned only once at the end of each day. To begin the cleaning process, first remove the medicine tank and rinse it with warm soapy water to remove all medicinal residue. Then wipe it dry. Reattach the medicine tank to the nebulizer base. Prepare a solution of 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water. Hold the unit in the palm of your hand, facing up. With the bottle dropper, drop 3 droplets of the solution on the front of the mesh. Then, hold the power button down for 5 seconds until it flashes purple once. The unit will start suctioning the solution in the reverse mode. You should hear a slight hissing sound while the function is running. This function may take several minutes to complete. When the self-clean operation is done, the unit will revert and atomize the solution in regular mode. That's it. Your unit is now clean. Thank you for choosing Aura Medical. We wish you many healthy years ahead.